भी गलत गलत लिख रहा है। मतलब ये सब गलत लिखेंगे तो युवा पीढ़ी जो युद्ध है, इंडियन का युद्ध है, ये पोस्ट चैप्टर को पढ़ के ये चला जाएगा बाद में। मुकना कांगजे इट इज ए ट्रेडिशनल स्पोर्ट्स गेम ऑफ द मणिपुर।
NCERT criticized for textbook error in Learning Through Traditional Games, 2023 to 2024 edition. The controversy arose due to the misidentification of an indigenous game from Manipur as a popular game from Mizoram. NCERT claiming it to be a typing mistake. Is it actually so? Or was it a deliberate attempt involving cookies? Big Size unfolds the possible truth, the cookie who could be the mastermind behind this controversy. Meet this cookie T. Baikon, who is an assistant professor at NCERT India. She was among the NCERT experts consulted for the political science textbook. It's common knowledge that NCERT omitted the 2002 Gujarat riots, Mahatma Gandhi's assassination, and some Mughal rulers from their textbooks. Changing the ownership of Manipur's indigenous game to Mizoram doesn't seem like a mere error, it looks like a deliberate move to stoke controversy among Manipuris. Looking at the situation here, she indeed is a member of the Kukiland Dreamland. She is also an assistant professor at Department of Education in Social Science DESS at NCERT. She has written many journals and published research papers both national and internationally. Now she teaches and guides teachers to write social science textbooks. Many Kuki intellectuals linked to the Kukiland aspiration pose a threat to Manipur's unity. Their influence could jeopardize Manipur's identity and distort history, especially in high school education. There's concern they may sow seeds of hate, manipulate historical narratives, or integrate Kukiland's agenda into textbooks. Fictitious accounts like the Anglo-Kuki War might find their way into educational materials if these individuals infiltrate the Indian education system.
NCERT के बुक में भी जो मणिपुर का ऐतिहासिक गेम है, स्पोर्ट्स है, जो मुकना कांगजे बोलते हैं, वो NCERT के सेंट्रल बुक में लिखा गया है कि वो मिजोरम का स्पोर्ट है, मिजोरम का गेम है। तो ये मतलब ये सब कौन देखेगा? इट हैज टू बी करेक्टेड बाय द एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर। सेंट्रल बुक में भी गलत गलत लिख रहा है। मतलब ये सब गलत लिखेंगे तो युवा पीढ़ी जो युद्ध है, इंडियन का युद्ध है, ये पोस्ट चैप्टर को पढ़ के ये चला जाएगा बाद में। मुकना कांगजे इट इज ए ट्रेडिशनल स्पोर्ट्स गेम ऑफ द मणिपुर। So we really requested to the concerned department also to look into the matter deeply, thoroughly.